Ike, what are we on? What are we on?
A boat.
A boat.
Mommy.
Are you excited?
When we get close to these things are called buoys, and when we get close, we count because when we get there, we go really, really fast.
Are you excited?
Oh, another boat.
Another boat.
Yeah, another boat.
I'm going to get it.
Are we gonna go get it? We're gonna race it.
What is it?
Yeah.
We're not going to that. We already heard there's a lot of floating logs at that end of the lake. I think we're gonna be heading the other way. Awesome.
Look, there's a buoy.
We'll see
There's
the
a buoy.
beach. All right, ready, boys? 5, 4.
3, 2, 1. Here we go. Yay! Woo! I got the